showroom yetu nigo engale yurengia na wigo ekogokiriso yao chingagi ogoswasalire kurigirya amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyo gukwariganya na wigo cyo tebiriye kindi kinsi uraganye bagotebereye company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuari ye chikala ao na wigo ayuwiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao na mono babwata no corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwata boomerang ayuari aye chigech emengetato asama bati aliye chigech emerongibiri babwata tile profiles aliya oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwata lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwata igani gabwata chikala buna bono liya chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwa mabati iga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer babwata bintu bindi wigo ebyo utkunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati iga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom unyara kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sibika ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakwabura wikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex muri umucungo musongo iyo rangene duka Safaricom wigo tukotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgotera setu namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kila slice. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Ni mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Chinsa, Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso litukerigare 13 mutenyo katanarimo mwaka bwekiri 2025 bwerire byo mwancho murigereria Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo wenge veni Nyaboga kurwaso muna bo imanyiriro nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga na boygo balna basendari kuri studio yakabere nera kwaneke buna chibichana Mario Gingo ikirachira asenchira ere yenkeranu kabana intogoika omwario na togo cha kanigo abarai waikirana segeti yeshoni ebunge nyari bari masabo county ya Kisii asi umurobero bogosira ebyombe na boigo abangina morobero manyakaine buna empowerment no morobero obetego kwariganiwa no mu women lab goso mu wakilishi abasabati cross county ya Kisii umoske Doris Donya Abui
Watokia sevi watu biko bagwa aenda musa watokia biko doya aenda doya elebia msera mwe hono igande tokane temyake yechikula igoro mtoe tetebaje tigari bunge ile bano hadi bano muzera igoro mtoe tetie ebaje tigari bunge ebaje ya 4.3 trillion ya Kenya mtomo isho ngobe ina ikaranze tari ewikinge bayal ko bekunga pesa gete chiko para gete Resa gete kisio para gete. Jadi jadi kwa mita. Ikira jima le tinga kima ambie kwa. Nge karaza my friend kare wanga. Kare wanga. Nge magira keriko magira. Kama mito tukabagana. Sabande walipo kwa rabia tukabagana. Abande malengo ebane kisikunga yaka. Sekali tetuji toya chetiko kwa bangebito. Kwa endo kwa amaya. Etere myake ebe.
Naende korna more kasingo korase bunge yesene. Ase meswada na rentire yoko egeraba onchore ya bakaba ke abangina ninu motanga ina somo sado yu. Ekerogo chikobari chiko mori go chigo chandwa. Mokore biasara biaino asobo toereru erine na inu monyore kede mbobe. Ega sinere yotagete. Na chikiande taga iga Gosiromo ngino yodonya somo yego yare ntire seito gaiga.
Lakini kuna mwingine ambao wameleta maneno hapo ndani. Wanataka kugawa wa Kenya kwa misingi ya kikabila, kwa misingi ya parties. Lakini leo hii vile tumekuja, mkiona wageni ambao wamekuja hapa ni maendeleo, si ndio? Tumekuja hapa wageni wamekuja kuinua wamama ambao wako chini. Hiyo ndiyo kazi ambao tumepewa for the next 2 years. Sisi tumesema lazima tushikilie hii serikali ili angalau watu wetu wapate maendeleo.
Murai bwensi ya Kenya muske Daktari William Ruto nigo ainekeria bakenya buna nigo barachi korendo kurwasa abanyanyimbo ababe kokona korangong imeye kaunti ya Kajiado chingaki chogosamba ebyoma gose chibunduki angechiribu Isano nemo echuchi abwati tukoro omwaka 2022 goika omwaka yega 2025 sechabete chikobwata kurwasa ababebu nabo igo abande bali ba osabantu bali babwati chibunduki mamincha neri chiko babakaba bagochena na Ruto nigo ainekera bakenya nigo arache kubarenda na boigo nigo arache kurenensi ya Kenya ase boigo aerera obuya bwo morembe.
Today's ceremony, which marks the destruction of more than 6,000 illegal firearms recovered between 2022 and 2025, therefore sends a clear and powerful message. We will not allow violence to take root in our communities, and we remain firmly committed to disarming those who threaten our peace and to strengthen the safety and security of every citizen. I am encouraged to note that a majority of the firearms being destroyed today were voluntarily surrendered by the public, who responded positively to our amnesty programs and community disarmament campaigns. Let me also commit that as we do this, ensuring that every policeman and woman, as they discharge the noble duty of protecting the lives of Kenyans and their property, they are adequately covered by insurance, adequately supported, as I said last week, with proper housing program, a proper insurance program, to ensure that they can protect our country, because any meaningful development is anchored on peace, security, and stability. And that we must work together to make sure that it becomes part of our architecture. We will, as has been said by the security minister here, equally protect citizens from rogue police officers and make sure that we hold them to account so that we can have a nation that is based on the rule of law, where everybody is serving under the rule of law.
The lighting of the firearms.
Mukonyi b'omuraibu ya Kenya Muski Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigo akwanire budget y'umwaka 2025-2026 yasometwe iri tukorego no muwaziri w'ekanja serikali Muski John Mbadi. Kindiki nigo akwanire osinigatebire abakenya n'abangote yerache komento ase boego asingerere bunaniga serikali erache kurwania na gukora bali barabakurumi ase serikali na kuruba emenganyi gose guticha emenganyi yonsi yobokurumi.
Na tumekuwa na budget, tumehakikisha kwamba hakuna nyongeza ya ushuru mpya, tutaendelea na vile tulikuwa mwaka uliopita, na tumehakikisha kwamba mwaka huu katika hiyo budget wale watu hawalipi kodi, tutahakikisha kwamba wamelipa, sana sana matajiri ambao wanahepa kulipa kodi. Ndio unaona nchi haina rasilimali za kutosha. Kwa hivyo hiyo budget ya jana iko na mambo matatu. Kwanza, ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba hakuna nyongeza ya ushuru mpya. Ya pili, hiyo bajeti itahakikisha wale matajiri wanatumia shortcut kutolipa ushuru, wamelipa ushuru. Na jambo la tatu, wale watumishi wa serikali ambao wanaiba pesa ya umma ambayo ingetumika kuweka stima, kujenga masoko, kujenga barabara, wanaiba hiyo mali. Tutapigana nao, na mimi ndio nitaongoza hiyo vita ya kupigana na wafisadi ambao wanaiba mali ya umma ambayo inafanya nchi yetu iendelee kuteseka, ili hali Mungu ametubariki na rasilimali za kutosha. Wafisadi wakwende wasikwende, waende wasiende. Kwa hivyo hiyo budget iko na hiyo mambo matatu: zero tolerance to corruption, sealing loopholes to make sure that there is no tax evasion, and making sure that we don't add any new taxes. We continue as the situation was.
Mwaziri w'obwachenu Omuske Adendwale nigo aruro koboria gochia sabaibori koira abana babo chinyagitari eri banyore echanjo ya polio na boigo echanjo ya PCG eyegotanga abana korwa konyora oboroire bwa tuberculosis. Dwale nigo ayakwaneta yega korwa samagacho afya house chinga kibanyorete chichanjo chimilioni 3 cha PCG na boigo chichanjo chimilioni 3 Ibere cha polio.
That families can now visit their nearest health facilities to catch up on any missed vaccination. Today we are receiving over 3 million doses of the BCG vaccine that helps TB, and 3.2 million doses of oral polio vaccine. This is a major boost to our national immunization efforts. This consignment has been made possible through the swift and commendable action of the Ministry of the National Treasury, and we are very grateful to their rapid allocation of resources. Ministry of Health remains committed to working closely with all stakeholders to minimize disruption and ensure continuity of our national immunization program. As I noted last week, the country and indeed the world is grappling with the disruption of the global vaccine supply chain. Despite these challenges, the government of Kenya remains steadfast in its mission to uphold every child's right to immunization. No child should miss a vaccine due to supply constraint. We are currently monitoring an emerging issue, a global shortage of Rotovac frozen vaccine, a vital vaccine that protects against diarrhea caused by rotavirus, which is expected to impact supply from the second quarter of 2025 into 2026. And we are preparing a technical guidance to help healthcare workers manage the situation while we continue to offer the best care possible. To all our parents and guardians, I strongly urge you to take your children to the nearest health facility for any missed or upcoming vaccination. These vaccines are now available, and it is a time to ensure every child is protected against deadly but preventable diseases. I call on all our parents and guardians to remain always vigilant and to be the first line of public health reporting. If you notice any vaccine stockouts, service delays, and challenges at your local facility, please report them immediately to your health authorities. Your voice will always help us.
Lituko lya 13 gose chitariki 13 mutinyo gatano rimo kero mwaka nigo ensengima ego chengera lituko lya World Albinism Day gose lituko lya bantu bali babwate omochando bwerisangu. Lituko lya rero ni ose wetera serikali ya Kenya nigo yarireira yogo chia kogenda gusira abantu abo anene mono ase okoba obokonyi bobo bwenya gukwana gwetera omunogeri wa serikali omoske Isaac Maura nigo bono aruraba okobore gochia abantu bali babwate omochando yo Erike Elias Konyora obokonyi kurwase serikali.
SHA Taifa Care is able to pay for skin cancer treatment for persons with albinism. We have heard from the horse's mouth that now the bills are being taken care of by SHA. The Kenya National Bureau of Statistics census of 2019 revealed that there were 9,729.
We find that albinism has been, for the longest time, been misunderstood, and we find that most of the time the wives or the mothers were being chased away by the husbands because of getting, a child with a different skin than the parents. So now we would want the community to ensure that persons with albinism are taken care of.
Na wenzetu ambao wako na share ngozi sababu tunaitwa albinism. Sasa leo ni siku yetu ambayo tumekuja kufanyiwa cancer screening, waangalie ngozi yetu kama iko na shida sababu sana sisi ni watu tunakuwa na udhaifu wa ngozi alafu jua huwa inatusumbua sana.
Na rayo kuremese Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yo bwenge ikominchi kora naga yangora tarayo mona yanda senchira yo bwenge nchenga trini Nyaboga veni Nyaboga kuraso mona bu manyeririo balnaba sondari kuri studio kabe nera gonkonya kone kebuna chibichana mari wingo kirachira senchira yo bwekra no twaro bore borobia ase umurobiro kubwati.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonia aiga mtukwate showroom asura achabwe ligirilia mabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale Iberengia na Woigo Ekeonga liso yao chingaki ogoswasa bile kuligirilia amabati aiga mtukwate Getembe abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babata chingoro chingiye cyo kwarigania na Woigo cyo tebeliye kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babate amabati chingenjo ao ayuari ye chikala ao na Woigo ayuiga bata chi profile net gauges ao na mono babata no corrugated na Woigo box corrugated asime babata boomerang ayuari aye chigech emengetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na isaro na sato babata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na Woigo na versatile mat MRM niko babata lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na Woigo web design babata igani gabata chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na Woigo na green obutambe bwe mabati iga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabati bintu bindi Woigo ebyo ochkunyara kwa bogo tumuka chinga cyo gwakerenya mabati iga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onare kwa bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sibika ayo chane warrant na Woigo ayo orakwa burwika sure asubwango edukenyiga ya Superstores yebutoka se nyumba ya complex niyo muchingo musongo iyo range nebuka Safaricom Woigo tukotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simu trase namba chabo 0111161500 Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.